Ariful Islam, and I'm a BRU21 PhD candidate in NTNU. In BRU21, I'm working in the area of maintenance, operations, safety, and security. And my PhD topic is related to maintenance optimization in remote operation. Remote operation with unmanned offshore platform is getting much attention these days, and it requires a transition from traditional maintenance practices to predictive maintenance. And in this regard, decision support system plays a vital role in the success of such operation. In this presentation, I'm going to show our ongoing work about the maintenance decision support, and which is relevant to the scheduling of multiple components. Unmanned platforms are designed and built in a way so that we can operate remotely from a control room, from onshore, or from a neighboring platform. It does not require any personnel on board for its day-to-day operation. By removing the personnel from the site, there is a huge opportunity for saving the operational, reducing the operational cost, and also it eliminates the concern for human safety. One major goal of remote operations is to keep the required maintenance visit as low as possible, and it is as ambitious as 1 or 2 times in a year. Better ideas often come with more sophisticated challenges. For remote operations, traditional maintenance practices such as breakdown maintenance and calendar-based maintenance are often not suitable. We need strong predictive maintenance support so that we can get indication early and timely for the imminent failures of the components, so that we can utilize the limited opportunities we have for maintenance. Unmanned platforms are designed in a minimalistic fashion, so when we are planning a maintenance, it is very important that we order the right spare parts, and we order the right vessel for our job, and we have the right crews for the right kind of jobs. In addition, we are going to have unexpected opportunities which we can utilize for further reducing the cost, and we need to be able to grab these opportunities so that we can use them in our favor. So a strong maintenance decision support system is required so that it can help us to take better decisions under uncertainty. In this project, we are trying to build a framework for maintenance decision support with predictive maintenance strategy for multiple components. In the state of the art of scheduling multiple components, most of the works have been pursued with age-based modeling. However, such assumption is often not suitable for the remote operations. If we have access to reliable condition monitoring data of each component, then we should use such knowledge to schedule maintenance for better outcome. Realizing this gap in the literature and our necessity, we aim to extend an existing age-based dynamic grouping model to a condition-based dynamic grouping model. Under this modeling framework, when we get a new information about a component, we can always update our plan for the next maintenance execution. And this gives us an opportunity to save significant cost by grouping several maintenance tasks together, and to save some setup cost, and also avoiding unnecessary visits. In addition, as we have flexibility in changing the plan based on the new information we get, we can grab the unexpected opportunities that arise randomly. So in this theoretical study, we are assuming that we have some components which follows a random degradation process, and we can measure the degradation level at any time. Each time a degradation level exceeds over preventive maintenance threshold or the failure threshold, we schedule a maintenance in the next upcoming opportunity. We also assume that when we get new information, then it is not immediately possible that we execute maintenance, because each maintenance work is associated with some preparation time. So it is really important that we are able to plan for the maintenance well ahead so that we don't experience failure. So far, we have done the first part of our project, and we have proposed a condition-based maintenance model for jointly optimizing preventive maintenance threshold and inspection interval. With this optimization scheme, we can then find the individual optimum due dates, and we can utilize this information in the grouping optimization. We have already published this work in the Proceeding of European Safety and Reliability Conference in 2020. And if you are interested in the details, then you are welcome to read the full article, which will be available online. At this stage, we are developing heuristics and writing algorithms for optimizing the multiple maintenance scheduling. And in parallel, we are also investigating different decision scenarios that can be relevant with the remote maintenance operation. In addition, in future, we are aiming to collect relevant field data so that we can conduct a case study to show the practical implication of our framework. Thank you for your attention.